EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for July 29th, 2020. If you watched yesterday's video, I kind of mocked the cold front that was coming through yesterday afternoon and downplayed the amount of showers and thunderstorms that were going to be associated with it, and that was the case. But we did have we did talk about this cold front moving through, and I mocked it because it's really not a true cold front that you're thinking of. When you think of cold front, you think of a cold air mass behind it, or a cooler air mass, and we're just not going to have that today. Okay, so this front is going to be off to the south where I drew that line. You have another front that's going to be off to the north here that's going to come through during the course of Thursday afternoon, but because the steering flow is so weak and so slow, this is going to take its time doing so. It is going to eventually move off to the south and east on Thursday, but in between here today, we are mostly sunny. Temperatures are still going to be near 90 degrees, either side of 90 degrees, so you really didn't lose anything in terms of high temperatures, but we did lower the humidity a little bit because that frontal boundary, of course, is off here to the south here. So we have a little bit lower, a little drier of an air mass. So I don't expect any precipitation today, mostly sunny skies. Once we get into Thursday, we'll call it partly cloudy, and you have this front that's going to be moving through here during the afternoon here. A stray shower or thunderstorm is possible with this. Again, dry air mass in place, or relatively dry air mass, so I don't expect this to be a strong, storm kind of day here, or frequent storms, or a lot of coverage of storms here. Looking here on early Thursday afternoon, I'm going to start this off on the 3-kilometer NAM, and just so you can see what it does through the afternoon. A few spots could see a stray shower or a quick storm, and that's it. Okay, so that's it for all you get for Thursday. Otherwise, another day is going to be in the lower 90s. Okay, so it's going to be next couple of days. You have temperatures that are going to be kind of like 90, 92-ish, and maybe further southeast, you're kind of 93, 94-ish for the next couple of days. So the humidity is going to lower, but the heat is going to remain, and it's not going to be until this secondary front that I drew up there, that second one up north, when that comes through here on later Thursday, that's going to have an effect on temperature. So the air temperatures are going to drop by about 5-6 degrees by the time we get to Friday. All right, so we get to Friday here. We're expecting partly cloudy skies, and that's with the system, little waves in a form along that boundary that moves through here overnight Thursday night. But here on Friday, we're expecting partly cloudy skies and temperatures around 85, 86 degrees. So not really that warm, comparatively speaking, to what we have been experiencing recently with, I think something like 8 of the last 10 or 11 days or something like that. Most areas are 90 or above, so it's been quite hot. So we're going to get a little bit of a break for that. As a little bit of a mid and upper level trough is going to try to settle in the region here for a couple of days. So this is going to go Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Actually, for the rest of the 7-day forecast period, is we're not expecting any 90s at all. So here's Friday, partly cloudy skies to be followed by mostly sunny skies here on Saturday. Here's a look at Saturday. So mostly sunny skies there too. Might nudge up a little bit in temperatures to like 87, 88 by the time we get to Saturday, but still dry here. And then once we get to Sunday, we have a system that's going to be moving off to our west. It's through the Ohio Valley. It's going to drag a warm front through the region. It's going to give us scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms Sunday afternoon and evening. So we're called variably cloudy here on Sunday with that warm front moving through. And temperatures, again, kind of like 85, 86 degrees ahead of these showers and storms ahead of the warm front, or along the warm front. And that system is going to move off to the north here. And then we have a system down to our south here. This could be a tropical system, or whatever's left of it, or whatever form it's going to be. If it's even here, we don't know. But there could be a tropical feed coming up into our region here with some added moisture. So we're going to leave scattered thunderstorms in the forecast for both Monday and Tuesday, but this is not an all-day thing here. This looks like late in the day here on Monday. You could have some scattered thunderstorms here. And the same thing here on Tuesday. Again, some uncertainties of whether this tropical system, or whatever is left of it is, at this point, will be in this general vicinity. We just don't know that yet. A lot of guessing on the models, which is typical at this range. But we're highlighting the next, the middle of next week here for an opportunity for some remnant stuff here. So we'll see what happens. But it looks like generally temperatures are going to continue in the low to mid 80s both Monday and Tuesday. So that's probably the coolest time frame we're going to be dealing with. Then we turn a little bit warmer toward the end of next week, it looks like. But it does look like that we're going to have very little in the way of precipitation up until at least Sunday. I think Sunday is your day as the warm front moves through. You could have some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And if everything works out just right on Sunday, you might have some areas getting some stronger storms. We'll cross that bridge, though, when we get there. It's going to depend on a lot of things like cloud cover and how fast the front clears to the north and placement of features at this point. Looking ahead to Sunday when it's only Wednesday is a little futile of an effort, so we'll see. We'll see how that works out. But it does look like it's going to be mainly dry through Saturday, and then Sunday we'll turn our attention to those scattered showers and thunderstorms potential with the warm front. EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus. That is your outlook for July 29th, 2020. Have a great Wednesday.